Hello, welcome. This video is especially recorded for our students, those who are learning in online mode. In this video, we will discuss how to use Google Drive. So, for knowing this, we will come to our laptop. So, there we will see how to use Google Drive. Let's see. So, here we are now on email. From here, we can write email, we can check our inbox, and here we can see 9 dots are there. So to go for Google Drive, we have to click on this one, and here you will see Google Drive is there. So we will click here. Here you will see so many options are there, and because we have shared some files to you, so you will click on shared with me. Then whatever class you are studying, you can see one folder will be there, maybe class 4, class 3, class 6, class 8, class 9, or whatever in which class you are studying. We will share that folder accordingly. So here this is just an example. Here we can see class 6 folder is there. When you double click on this, you will see subjects, whatever you want to study will be there. Here again, this is an example. Then three subjects are there: English, Maths, and Science. Suppose we are opening Science. Here you will see entire chapters are uploaded here. For example, we are opening chapter 1. Here you can see PDF file is there, and some images and videos that are related to this chapter are uploaded in this folder, images and videos. So if you are opening this, we can see some images are there, some video are there. Okay, we can download, we can open it. For example, suppose we have to open this image, so we will double click it like this. Okay, now we have to go to Science chapter 1, so we will click here, and we can see Science chapter 1 is there. We can open it like this. Here chapter 1 PDF file is there. It is of 7 pages. We can zoom it on clicking this. Okay, when we have to download it, we will click on these three dots. Then download option is there. We will click on that. After a few seconds, you can see it is downloaded, and it is available at this place. So we will click on that. You can see file is opened here. So this is opened in this tab, but what we want that this PDF file should be opened in PDF software, Acrobat PDF software. So we will close this, and we will go to this one and show all documents. Click on that. Here you can see show in folder option is there. We will click on that. Then you will find this PC, Windows. This is just an example because in your system these folders may be different. Okay, so basically you can see in this PC, C drive, user folder is there, then 91808 folder is there, then downloads are there. Definitely it will be not like this. It will be something different folder for you. Okay, anyways, so we are copying this or cutting this, whatever you want to do for this. You can cut this or you can copy this, and now we are creating one folder on desktop by right click, then new, for example, chapter 1, and now we are pasting it. Okay, so what we have to do now, we have to open this PDF file. Suppose this is opening in this form, PDF form, and when you have to attend this Google Drive meeting, so what problem you will face? You suppose this one is your Google meeting face, or that window, but if you are looking here, then you cannot access your PDF file. If you are looking in PDF file, so you cannot see the whiteboard and your faculty. So what you have to do in this case, here you can see at the top right corner, three options are there, that minimize, restore and maximize, and close. We do not close this file, we will resize this. On clicking this, on coming to this option, you can see several options are there. So we have to click on this one. We have to click on this one. So this file will be arranged in this way, like this. Okay, and here this will be your window where you can join. We have already joined your Google Meet. Here your faculty will be there. This is just an example, right? And if this option is not available in your system in any case, then what you can you can do, you can adjust this like this. You have to click here and then you have to keep your mouse here. You will see it is now bidirectional. Okay, so now you can with holding your mouse without leaving it, you can see it is now you can adjust according to the requirement. Okay, similarly for here you can adjust like this, and this file will be adjusted like this, right? One more thing is there. If you want to download your PDF file or video or image, whatever you want to download, and it should be downloaded on your desktop, then what you have to do, so for changing the location of your downloaded files, instead of your default location to desktop, you will go to three dots, and here you will see settings there. Click on settings, then downloads, and here you can see the original location is there. You will click on there, change, and you will click on desktop and just select folder. That's it. Now whatever file you are downloading, it will be downloaded automatically on your desktop. For example, now we are on maths chapter 2. For example, here we are clicking on three dot, then download. After a few seconds it will be downloaded. Yes, it is downloaded. Now we are minimizing it and we are coming to desktop. Here you can see maths chapter 2 is downloaded. Okay, so in this way you can download your files and arrange all your uh, settings so that you can easily access your Google Drive. I hope these things are clear to you. I hope this video is useful for you. I hope you have understood how to use Google Drive and all the settings that we have discussed. In case if you have any query, then you can write in the comment box.